This black gas range cooker from Newworld is perfect for households who want a quality model with fantastic features to help create amazing dishes. It has 4 cavities including a separate grill, 2 gas conventional ovens and a storage compartment for cookware. Both the main and second gas conventional ovens have 48-litre capacities, so there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 7 gas burners on the hob for fast and precise cooking. They're surrounded by cast iron pan supports, which can hold pots and pans of various sizes for creative chefs who need plenty of extra space. This model has a wok burner, which is perfect for cooking oriental dishes. The large ring delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for faster, even cooking. So, you'll be able to create delicious dishes like a professional in no time. Newworld's gas conventional oven provides a traditional way of cooking that gives great results. It uses heating elements at the top and bottom of the cavity, and because heat rises, this creates different temperature zones. This means the bottom of the cavity will always be cooler, the middle section will be the temperature you've selected, and the top of the oven will be hotter. This means you'll be able to cook different foods at different temperatures, which will come in handy for those Sunday roasts. If you're looking for a quality range cooker with fantastic features to help you create amazing dishes, this black model from Newworld is the perfect choice.